10 benefits of sweet peas. A vegetable of sweet green edible pods seeds called sweet peas is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on this planet. There are a lot of delicious dishes of sweet peas liked all over the world. This naturally sweet edible legume is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants like vitamin K and C, folate, manganese and also fiber. Although there are several pea pods which are excessively fibrous and tough to eat, there are some famous edible varieties such as snow peas, sugar snap peas, and garden peas are commonly used as essential ingredients in various delicious curry and stew recipes. Following are the benefits of sweet peas. 1. Peas are an excellent source of vitamin C which helps to maintain your good health. One is that vitamin C plays a significant role in the production of collagen. Collagen helps keep the skin firm and glowing. 2. Vitamin C also protects the cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Peas also boost immunity as these are rich in vitamin C, which makes it one of the best immunity-building foods. 4. The antioxidants present in peas like flavonoids, catechin, epicatechin, carotenoid and alpha-carotene prevent signs of aging too, i.e. it is an anti-aging solution. These antioxidants help fight oxidative damage caused by the free radicals. 5. Peas, especially pea shoots, also contains phytoalexins, an antioxidant that can inhibit H. pylori, the bacterium that causes stomach and duodenal ulcers and stomach cancer. 6. Peas can help in weight loss and you may lose some quick pounds too. Peas are low in fat and also immensely low on calories as compared to heavier legumes like beans and cowpeas. 100 grams of peas contains only 81 calories. Also, high content of fiber plays a major role in weight reduction. Fiber helps induce the feeling of fullness which keeps you away from other foods like junk food, till the next proper daily meal. 7. The insoluble fiber content present in peas is good for heart as it helps reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Apart from this, peas also help in ensuring stable blood sugar regulation in the body. 8. Peas are also good for eyes health as these are packed with carotenoid pigment lutein. Lutein is known to reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration or loss of vision in old age. Peas can also boost eyesight. 9. Peas are a good source of iron. Iron deficiency is the leading cause of anemia. Without enough iron, your body can't make enough healthy oxygen-carrying red blood cells, thereby causing hemoglobin deficiency. Iron helps combat fatigue, gives you strength and keeps you active. 10. Peas are good for digestion. The high fiber content present in pods helps in maintaining good health of gastrointestinal tract. Peas are, therefore, an essential ingredient in your salads, sides, stews and curry.